please refer to the schematic for the values of the components. Bend the leads of the capacitor as shown and observe the polarity of the negative and the positive lead. Place it as shown in the schematic. Place capacitor 1 in terminal strip socket 33 and straddle the bus to the other terminal strip socket 33. Place R1 vertically in sockets 33 and 24. Place R2 vertically below R1 in sockets 33 and 40. Place transistor Q1, the base, to the negative side of capacitor 1. Place capacitor C2 on the collector of transistor Q1. Straddle the power rails with the capacitor. Make sure that you observe the proper polarity on all capacitors. Place RC vertically on the collector of transistor Q1. Place resistor RE1 vertically down on the emitter of transistor Q1. Place resistor RE2 vertically under resistor RE1. Place capacitor C3 parallel to resistor RE2. Place load resistor R2 across the negative of capacitor 2 and the negative of capacitor 3. Use a jumper to reach. Place another jumper from RE2 to R2. Place the output of the function generator on the plus side of capacitor 1 and resistor 2 as shown. Connect the positive input of the oscilloscope yellow probe to the positive side of capacitor 1. Connect input 2 of the oscilloscope, the blue one, to the negative side of capacitor 2. Connect both probes' negative connections to the lower side of resistor 2. Adjust the function generator using the oscilloscope to 100 millivolts peak and 1000 Hertz. Connect 10 volts DC to the top of resistor 1. Place a jumper between the top of resistor 1 and RC. Place the negative of the power supply on the bottom of resistor 2. The output of your circuit should now look like this.